environmental awareness. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to arrive. Breathe into your abdomen. For this meditation, you can keep your eyes closed or you can keep it slightly open, like gazing into the horizon. We're gonna work on your open awareness. Notice any sound, light, space. Relax and feel the noise. The human ear can hear the steps of a cat in a carpet floor. Allow everything in. Do not focus in a particular sound. Just be aware of every sound. At this point, sometimes the ears start moving like satellites, seeking for signal. To increase your perception, just breathe into your abdomen and you can place your tongue on the roof of the palate or have your mouth slightly open. That will relax the bones surrounding your ear. Remember not to focus on any particular point. She's aware the life is happening around us and sounds travels in the universe. As you continue this practice, allow yourself to hear the empty space around you and then feel yourself as part of this space. There is no separation. You are the center of the universe. And when you're ready, focus on your abdomen. Breathe in deep and exhale. Perform this couple times. Now, let's get no glove that's being shaken. Feel the energy from your head settle into your heart, and the energy of your heart settle into your lower abdomen. Allow yourself to re-enter and return gently when you're ready. Wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.